Welcome back to Kim's Southern Sanctuary. Happy Independence Day. It is the 4th of July. It's a very special day. We have the opportunity in our country to celebrate our independence and our freedom, and we should all take advantage of that, and we should all celebrate and be proud of the fact that we live in a free country. I think that we should all set politics and all the stuff that's been going on in the world aside and celebrate the fact that we are free. Celebrate the fact that we can come and go and do as we please, and celebrate the fact that we live in a great country, even though sometimes it feels like we don't. And sometimes we feel like, you know, our freedoms are being taken from us and we're being forced to believe in things that we don't necessarily want to. We live in a good country. So just remember that today. Remember those who sacrifice for us to live in a free country. And celebrate the fact that God has given us the freedom to live and the freedom to make our own choices. So, that being said, I've got a list of 150,000 things to do today, as usual. We are having a small barbecue this afternoon with family. And so we've got to do some things. I've got to tackle my daily to-do list. So, here it is. I need to unload the dishwasher because I put the dishes on the wash a while ago. I have strawberry cake to make. I have sweet tea to make. I need to hang my 4th of July decorations out on the porch and on the balcony. I need to move the kitchen table. That's a whole nother story for another day. I need to wash, dry, and fold some towels. I need to wash and cut up and store some fruit in my fridge. I need to clean off the porch again. I need to go get some ice. I need to check the eggs, check the garden, and I need to go skim the swimming pool. She was dancing behind me the whole time I was doing that. So she asked me just a few minutes ago if she could get TikTok and Snapchat. And my response to you was what?
It's a toxic environment and I don't want you getting it because of that.
Pretty much sums it up. So comment down below. Do your kids have TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram? She's 12. She doesn't need it. That's my opinion. She thinks she does, but she doesn't need it.
I don't think I need it.
So what's the benefits of having TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram? Why do you feel like you need it?
I don't think I need it. It's just like an interesting platform with there's different things you can do on it, and some of those they fit my interests. So that seems interesting to me. So
yeah. So yeah, not right now. Why did I tell you no?
Because there's a lot of toxic stuff on TikTok and Snapchat, and even if you unintentionally come across it, you still come across it, and that's not good.
Nope, not good at all. So, that's that. We're not getting it.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you for being so understanding. Okay.
We are victims of the YouTube. Stop. Ready? Ready? One. Let me suck you in.
You gotta filter out the lips.
Go. Right. I'm sucking in my stomach just in case. Who knows? And Kim might have some really cute people watching up on his YouTube channel.
Or doubt it. Doubt it. So it's many hours later and I haven't picked up the camera to vlog anything. Family's here right now. We just got finished eating, waiting for it to get dark outside. We have a little bit of time left because it's not yet dark. And we're gonna do fireworks. The kids right now are outside playing hide and seek and having a blast, and we're sitting there watching them and laughing at them. So I hope y'all have a great 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Birthday to America. Happy birthday to you.